Hello and welcome to the complete Ruby on Rails developer course. My name is Mashroor and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've been teaching web app development for a while now, and this is by far my most comprehensive Rails course to date. So let's check it out. There are text lectures after each video lecture with the code used in the videos, so you can refer to the code at any time without having to replay the videos. Let's take a look. Right here, we have a video lecture discussing methods and branching. And right after that, we have a text lecture, which includes all the code and directions and references from the video. Nice. Now back to the course dashboard. You'll have full and responsive support from myself and other students for all your inquiries in the discussion area. And everything you work with for this course will be available for free, including the robust online integrated development environment with Nitrous, where we'll walk through signing up for an account. Eventually, we'll use Heroku to deploy our apps to production, and we can sign up there for free as well. And then when you use GitHub for your code repositories, that'll be free. Also, later on, when we work with payment functionality and use Stripe, we can sign up, do all our coding, and test using the Stripe API, all for free. So back to our lesson plan. First, after setting up of our development environment, we'll spend a full section on Ruby, which is the programming language behind Rails, where we'll go from saying hello world all the way to object-oriented programming. And don't worry, programming isn't what it used to be. It'll be very easy to pick up and absorb. We'll ease the transition by building a few mini projects along the way. Then starting in section 3, we'll get started with Rails and peel back every layer of a Rails application. We'll learn how to build everything from scratch: models, views, controllers, everything. And if you don't know what they are, don't worry at all. We'll explain and discuss each topic in the course. We'll build resources, authentication systems, multiple types of associations, and then design and build amazing styling for our apps using Bootstrap. Then we'll move on to our second Rails app starting in section 8, which will be a stock tracker. We'll learn to use gems to automate and speed up certain things like authentication. We'll use a gem that uses the Finance Yahoo API to get stock prices for stocks in the market. We'll learn how to use Ajax for form submission as we search for stocks and search for friends so you can follow your friends and see what they're tracking. Then we'll move on to production concerns with our final app in section 9. In this section, we'll handle things like email in production, for which we'll use SendGrid, which is a transactional email service that comes free as an add-on with your Heroku account. In the app that we work on, we'll also learn how to work with Amazon Web Services S3 bucket for production storage. You'll also learn how to customize payment form and work with the Stripe API to accept credit cards from users when they sign up for your app. By this stage, you'll be advanced enough to learn how to take existing packages, or gems as they're called in Ruby, and modify their behavior to meet your app's needs. So, without any further delay, let's get started in the next video where we walk you through your course dashboard and the best way to use the course. See you there.